My name is Riley Patterson. I'm a laser operator and swing shift lead, and I've been here at GK for 3 years. What I do is I gather my material, I load it onto the table on the laser, and I burn programs and I cut metal parts and get them ready for the next step in the process. When I first started at GK, I didn't have much experience in the field itself, and I started out cleaning parts, grinding parts and deburring parts, getting them ready for the next step in the process. And really I found that it wasn't too difficult to pick up, and it actually, I was surrounded by people that were able to help me and guide me through that so that I was able to successfully do my job. So as far as advancing to different jobs here at GK, it's really based on you and like what you want. So me personally, I'm always one to be pushing to learn more and to grow within a company. And so I was constantly, asking what else I can do and where else I can be helpful, so that, I can learn more and I can not only better myself, but be better for GK. So after I proceeded from cleaning and deburring parts, I moved right on to operating the laser, in which I moved to night shift, and I was able to learn about the laser and the process and how it works, and be taught and trained on operating. Going from just being a laser operator to a swing shift lead and supervisor, I really was asking for that role from the beginning. And so it's been about a year of me asking and committing myself and really just learning every day and working hard to it until I was able to reach that goal. So that's just an example of, if you work hard every day, you show up, and you have a great student mentality, then you have a really good opportunity and chance of moving up and growing within this company. What I like most about working at GK is it's really the first job where I feel like I'm more of a part of the GK family, and I know my bosses as well as my coworkers actually care about me as a person and an employee and want the best for me.